GetResponse versus Klaviyo. Two marketing giants. One big question. Which platform really delivers? On the left, the all-in-one, easy-to-use GetResponse. And on the right, Klaviyo, the e-commerce-focused, analytics-driven automation powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what really matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The final verdict might surprise you. All right, here's the game plan. We're going to break down these platforms across everything that matters: pricing, features and tools, analytics and reporting, marketing automation, integrations, ease of use, customer support, and, best use case. So picture a mind map with all those categories hanging out, and GetResponse and Klaviyo ready to duke it out in every single one. So let's start with pricing. GetResponse, honestly, keeps things pretty wallet-friendly. Their annual plans are actually affordable, and I love how their pricing tiers lay it all out. Super clear. But if you want their high-end features, yeah, the price jumps. Now, Klaviyo, on the other hand, they've got a free tier. Great if you have under 250 contacts. But as you scale, ouch, that price tag goes up fast, especially if your email list blows up. Between these two, GetResponse definitely takes the win when it comes to keeping costs down for most folks. Next up, features and tools. Okay, GetResponse packs more than you'd expect. You get this visual and AI-powered email builder. That's pretty cool. There's landing pages, webinars, heck, even paid ads and transactional emails baked right in. Oh, and you can build websites and forms too, all in one dashboard. If you want to do everything from a single place, this is your jam. Klaviyo, it laser focuses on e-commerce. You get crazy good automation, segmentation so deep you might lose track, and over 320 integrations with online shopping platforms. But if you're after transactional emails or a broader marketing suite, that's not Klaviyo's thing. So while Klaviyo's features are killer for stores, GetResponse really nails it for a broader audience. Winner here, GetResponse. Analytics and reporting, oh boy. So GetResponse gives you the standard stuff: campaign stats, basic audience breakdowns. It's enough for most, but honestly not super detailed. Klaviyo, though, if you're a stats freak or you live and breathe e-commerce numbers, this is your playground. You get industry-leading segmentation, reporting tools that dig into every sales metric, even dynamic personalization that pulls data from your store. Downside can feel a bit overwhelming at first. But if that's your vibe, Klaviyo just, wins this category hands down.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Klaviyo integrates natively with over 300 e-commerce platforms? And GetResponse? It started way back in 1998, just as an email tool. And now it's grown into this beast that includes a website builder. So they've both come a long way. Moving into marketing automation. With GetResponse, you can run multi-channel automations like email, SMS, ads, and push notifications, all without losing sleep. Setting up user journeys is dead simple. The only thing is, if you want crazy, branching, logic-heavy flows, it's kind of basic. Now, Klaviyo, that's where things get spicy. Conditional flows, e-commerce triggers, workflows that feel like you coded them yourself. Customization is next level. But it's really built for stores running Shopify, WooCommerce, and the like. So for sheer power, Klaviyo wins automation. Okay, let's talk integrations. GetResponse? Over 65 integrations. So it covers the big names. Think WordPress, Shopify, all that jazz. It's enough for most general marketers. But if you're looking for that ultra niche shop stack, not so much. Now, Klaviyo, wow. Over 325 integrations, and not just random ones. Deep hooks into Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, pretty much the entire e-commerce universe. Seriously, if you're an online retailer, this makes life easier. Some setups require a bit of elbow grease, but hey, that's the trade-off. Klaviyo takes the integration crown. Ease of use. GetResponse is honestly a breath of fresh air. You jump in and it's all laid out for you. Dashboard's simple, everything's grouped up, and the learning curve is basically flat. But if you want to build advanced automations, it may feel a bit bare bones. Klaviyo flips the script. It's geared for advanced users and data nerds. Tons of templates for e-commerce, but hope you're ready to read some help docs. The learning curve is definitely steeper. So if easy and fast is what you're after, GetResponse wins here.
Customer support. GetResponse rolls out the red carpet here. 24/7 live chat, phone, email, you name it. And for big accounts, you get someone dedicated to your case. Pretty sweet, right? Klaviyo isn't bad at all. You get support by email, in-app, even a dedicated rep for high rollers. But phone support isn't always a guarantee, so that's a little meh. When it comes to pure support, GetResponse edges out Klaviyo.
Best use case. Okay, this one's actually a tie.
GetResponse shines if you're running multi-channel marketing campaigns, or you're a small business, solopreneur, maybe even a nonprofit trying to build your list. Lead generation is where it sings. Though it's not as specialized for pure e-commerce. Klaviyo, born and bred for online stores who want deep personalization, advanced data moves, and if you're heavy into Shopify, yeah, this is the one. But if you're not in e-commerce, you might feel kind of left out.
So imagine both tools side by side in a radar chart. GetResponse spikes in ease of use and pricing, while Klaviyo's out here dominating integrations and analytics. Big strengths in their own lanes. All right, so here's my honest take. If you want an affordable all-in-one suite you can actually get started with today, especially if you're new, GetResponse is seriously hard to beat. But if you're deep in e-commerce and your life is all about data, customizing customer journeys, and integrating with pretty much every store platform in existence, Klaviyo is built for you. At the end of the day, pick the one that maps to your own business priorities. Enjoyed this breakdown? Seriously, if you love deep dives into marketing tools, hit that subscribe button and stick around. There's plenty more insights where this came from.